welcome to Canva Culture. Today I will discuss with you how to create a design in Cricut and transfer it to Canva in case you choose to get it printed or you're sublimating or whatever the situation is. You are able to actually transfer a file from Cricut to Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I don't want to hold you any longer. So I have a Cricut file. I have the canvas visible. There's a blue background. This is what I showed to my customer. This is what she wanted. She wanted it on a blue shirt, so I showed her a quick color background, aka a mock-up. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and delete or hide the blue. Now I have the actual image. I'm going to flatten. Okay, so this is now set in the process of print then cut. But before we get any further, Cricut has a warning. This warning is telling me that it is too large for print then cut unless I want to change the page size. Doesn't even matter. I'm not going to do that, okay? I'm going to make it smaller because that's what it told me. I need to make it smaller. Okay, so now it is ready. Select Make. If you're familiar with print then cut, or anything, make is the next option to move forward. I'm going to move this file or this design to where I can clip or crop the registration marks. No need to mirror, print then cut, select continue. I'm going to send this to the printer. Now, I have an option. These are my options. Most often, if you're sublimating, then you have your sublimation printer as a default. But in this case, I have print to PDF because it was flattened and I've gone through this process so many times. So print to PDF, remove the bleed. I'm going to save this as Senior White 2024. Okay, it is now saved. I'm going to transfer this to Cricut. All I have to do is upload. Upload this file. Go find Senior White 2024. It is uploading over here in the left-hand corner in projects. So it's creating its own project folder. You now have the Senior White. And we know that Senior Red, but the fonts, there are some white font class of. We'll go ahead and crop it. Cropping those registration marks. I just want to show you. Okay. Crop the registration marks because we don't want that printed. Now your file is transparent in the background. That is a question I have all the time. How do I transfer it and not have the white background? Well, if you transfer it as PDF, Canva automatically saves the file as a transparent file. So it is editable once you put it in here, but Canva will do that for you. How do I know that it's transparent? When I place a background on there, it shows me, okay? Now, what's my next step? If I want to get this printed as a DTF, I want to save it with a transparent background, just select Share, Download, Transparent Background. No, I will not enlarge this because it is more than a PNG right now. It began with the PDF, so I know that the DPI is really good. Therefore, it's not going to really mess it up, okay? Download it. I have Senior Red. It is now downloaded and it is ready for DTF. If you have any questions, comments, or any concerns, please drop it in the comments section and I'll be sure to answer it as soon as I get to it. Thank you and have a good night. Bye-bye.